Many of us treat emotions like troublesome acquaintances. We thoroughly enjoy having the nice ones around, but mostly try to avoid the ones we don't like, without ever really trying to understand them and what value they might have for us. Emotions, those physical sensations that we get when something notable happens around us, are a quite brilliant piece of super-fast pre-conscious thinking, a hangover from the early days when mammoth was on the menu for us and we were on the menu for the large cats with big teeth. In those early days, noticing small changes in our environment and then getting really early warnings of foreboding from one's body, emotions, wasn't just helpful, it was essential. As life became more complex, at some point we began to give names and, more importantly, interpretations to these different bodily sensations. These names and the meanings are the feelings that some of us now talk about. In some respects, we've come a long way in 10,000 years. In other ways, we really haven't got the hang of what to do with these feeling things. So, as a fully evolved human being, keen to master their feelings, here are a few thoughts for you to play with. Feelings are facts, and we can choose to talk about them just like any other facts. You look annoyed. You really don't sound happy at all. Noticing feelings in other people really helps them to become more aware and to deal with them much more quickly. Not least of all because being understood by another person completes an important mental process in our heads. And we can also help our own state of mind by calling our feelings out long before they cause us to snap. For example, I'm really worried where this decision is going. By speaking up or even just admitting what is going on to ourselves, we can influence what we are feeling. Talking about our feelings actually alters brain functioning. So, when we take the time to notice an emerging feeling or the physical emotion that is prompting it, we can call it out for the other person or we can call it out for ourselves, long before anyone has to snap. This means that whilst we might enjoy the company of some feelings more than of others, we can learn to welcome all types into our minds, knowing full well that they are all useful indicators of what's going on and that we have practical ways of dealing with them, in ourselves as well as in others.